Hello and welcome back to the channel. This week, winter health checks. George is being used sparingly at the moment. I'm using him twice a week to take my partner to work and back. All other times he's locked up safe in the drive. And in further news, the carport is finished, so let me just show you around that quickly. Right, so it's the winter health checks. Obviously this time of year you're driving more in the dark, so we'll check the lights, tyre pressures, oil level, and also fuel pipe as well. Modern fuel eats fuel hose very quickly, so we'll get the bonnet open, we'll do a few checks and just make sure that everything's as it should be. Also suspension, the Kennedys did the suspension back in February. It's getting towards a year now, and I've had no problems with the car, touch wood, so that's good times. We'll just have a quick check and make sure everything's as it should be. Check the suspension. That seems all good. So the car's been sat for a little while. I have been out in it this morning, but engine oil's still warm. I'd say that's just on the min line, so it just needs a small top up. Glad we checked it. I'm using Morris's 2050 golden film. It's right for the car and the age of the vehicle. Just need a small top up, not too much, just a smidge. I will let that settle and I'll recheck the dipstick. Right, you're going to have to be my eye, so let me know what's working. Side lights, headlights, dip beam, and indicators. Marvellous. Side lights, brake lights, and reverse. Lovely. And just recheck that oil level. Perfect. Now, let's have a look at those fuel hoses. I'll plonk my torch down somewhere sensible. Try and get some light in here so I can see what I'm doing. So this wasn't changed all that long ago, but yeah, it seems to be. All seems fine. There doesn't appear to be any cracks I can see. So it was all changed last year and it has been in daily use, so just check the other side. And just around the back of the carb. Yeah, that all seems good. Good times. Well, I spared you watching a man checking his tyre pressures. They all came fine, they all had air in, right pressure all around, so good times. That's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Just guys, if you're driving a classic on a daily basis, go through the basics. It's not rocket science, and just make sure safer driving. That's all for me today, and George, so until next week, see you very soon.